Welcome to the Phone Transformer channel. In today's video, we'll show you how to scan color documents on mobile, step by step. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials. Let's get started. Step 1. Take your Samsung phone and open the Google Drive app. Make sure you're logged into the correct account so that your scanned documents are saved properly. Step 2. Next, look for the plus icon at the bottom right corner of the screen and tap on it. This will bring up a menu with different options. Step 3. From the menu, find and tap on the Scan option. This will activate the scanning mode on your device. Step 4. Now, position your color document within the camera frame and capture a clear photo. Once done, tap on the Crop and Rotate option to adjust the document as needed. You can fine-tune the edges, rotate the image, and ensure everything looks perfect. Once satisfied, tap the Done button at the top right corner. Step 5. Now, it's time to save your document. Type a file name that's easy to recognize. Then, select your preferred format, whether it's PDF or JPEG. You can also choose the storage location where you want to save the scanned document. Step 6. Finally, confirm by tapping the Save button at the top right corner. Your document will be saved automatically, and you can access it anytime from your Google Drive. And that's it. You've successfully scanned a color document using your mobile phone. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.